Feeling tired, foggy, low on energy? You might be missing a key nutrient your body can't make on its own: vitamin B12. Let's explore the top sources of vitamin B12, from classic favorites to plant-based options you might not expect. Essential for your brain, your energy, and your blood. This powerful vitamin is found in more places than you think. Whether you're a meat lover, vegetarian, or 100% vegan, we've got you covered. Animal-based food sources. Natural B12 sources. A plate of grilled beef liver with herbs. Cooked clams served on ice with lemon. A grilled tuna steak with vegetables. Fresh salmon fillet on a wooden board. A bowl of sardines in olive oil, fried. Eggs sunny side up on toast. A glass of cold whole milk. A bowl of plain Greek yogurt with fruit. A slice of Swiss cheese on a wooden platter. Grilled chicken breast with salad. Sliced turkey sandwich with leafy greens. Roast duck with seasonal. Vegetables: baked trout with lemon and dill, a dozen fresh oysters on a serving tray, a breakfast plate with scrambled eggs and sausage, whole roasted quail on a ceramic plate, goat cheese on a rustic cutting board, a charcuterie board with meat and cheese, poached eggs on English muffins, boiled eggs cut in half showing yolk, dairy products, a glass of skimmed milk beside cereal, a cheese platter with various types of cheese, a cup of cottage cheese with strawberries, a small bowl of cream cheese with crackers, a wedge of cheddar cheese and grapes, a bowl of yogurt topped with nuts and seeds, a bottle of kefir with fruit beside it, a creamy mac and cheese dish, yogurt parfait with granola and berries, milkshake made from whole milk fortified foods, a bowl of fortified breakfast cereal with milk, almond milk carton labeled B12 fortified, oat milk bottle on a breakfast table, fortified soy milk being poured into a glass, plant-based burger on a bun with lettuce, vegan cheese slices with label showing B12, a nutrition label of a cereal showing B12 content, a fortified energy bar in a wrapper, a bowl of vegan ramen with fortified broth, vegan hot dog with fortified ingredients, fortified grains, and spreads. Fortified bread loaf sliced on a board. Fortified breakfast bar on a napkin. Fortified margarine spread on toast. Fortified English muffin with jam. Fortified pancake mix in cooked pancakes. A fortified granola mix in a clear bowl. Fortified rice flakes in a serving bowl. A bottle of fortified soy sauce. Toast with fortified peanut butter. Meals featuring B12 foods. Full English breakfast with eggs. Bacon and sausage sushi platter with salmon and tuna cheese omelet with vegetables, grilled fish tacos with cabbage slaw, quiche made with cheese and eggs, creamy seafood pasta dish, salmon salad with avocado and lemon tuna melt sandwich. On rye bread, chicken Alfredo pasta with parmesan clam chowder in a bread bowl, B12 supplements, vitamin B12 tablets in a bottle, B12 sublingual tablets in packaging, a person holding a B12 spray bottle, B12 injection vial and syringe daily. Multivitamin pill bottle, chewable B12 gummies in a jar, a supplement facts label, highlighting B12 hand placing. B12 pill into organizer vitamin bottle labeled methylcobalamin, a supplement store shelf with B12 products, vegan, B12 alternatives. Fortified nutritional yeast in a jar. Nutritional yeast sprinkled over pasta. Vegan tofu scramble with nutritional yeast. Fortified vegan burger patty on grill. Fortified almond milk. Vegan cheese board with B12 labeled products. Vegan. Tacos with fortified fillings. B12 fortified protein shake. Vegan fortified sausage in a breakfast wrap. Plant-based nuggets with nutrition facts visible. Science, health, education themes. Diagram showing how B12 is absorbed in the body. Infographic of B12 food sources. Chart comparing B12 in animal versus vegan diets. Animated B12 molecule structure. B12 deficiency symptoms. Infographic. Person holding their stomach with fatigue. Illustration. Brain and nerve system with B12 label. Poster showing RDA of vitamin B12. Teacher pointing at B12 rich food list. Children learning about nutrition in class. Lifestyle and people. Vegan athlete drinking fortified smoothie. Elderly woman taking B12 pill pregnant. Woman holding glass of fortified milk. Teen eating cereal with milk. Family at dinner table with fish and eggs. Chef preparing seafood dish and kitchen dietitian showing B12 rich food on a plate. Nutritionist explaining supplement chart. Grocery shopping scene with B12 products. Person reading food label for B12 content. Cultural and international dishes. Japanese miso soup with clams. Scandinavian smoked salmon platter. Indian fish curry in a bowl, French cheese and egg tart, quiche, Lorraine, Korean grilled mackerel meal, Middle Eastern yogurt-based dish, Spanish tapas with sardines and eggs, Russian beet salad with herring, Italian frittata with cheese, Ethiopian spiced egg stew. Packaging, labels, branding fortified, food package with high in B12 label, supplement bottle with vitamin content, highlighted dairy product label, zoomed in on B12 vegan cheese label, showing nutritional info, fortified cereal box on a shelf, bottle of plant-based milk, showing vitamin chart, protein powder container with B12 list, back of food label showing B12% daily value, supermarket aisle with vitamin-enriched products, advertisement banner for B12 supplements.